How to enjoy Skaneateles Lake with variable weather. Imagine standing on the shore of Skaneateles Lake, the sun shining one moment and clouds gathering the next. The weather here changes often, but that doesn't mean your day has to be spoiled. In fact, it opens up new ways to experience the lake all year round. Skaneateles Lake, nestled in the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York, is known for its stunning scenery and clear waters. Its climate features warm summers with highs around 78 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit and cold winters with lows often below freezing. Snowfall can reach about 90 inches each year, making winter activities possible. Rain is common, with precipitation falling on many days, so being prepared is key. During spring and fall, temperatures can swing from the mid-30s to the 70s. Layering your clothes allows you to stay comfortable whether you're hiking, driving scenic routes, or visiting local wineries and villages. Trails around the lake are open year-round, perfect for bird watching or capturing fall foliage. Keep an eye on weather forecasts and lake levels, as rain and snowmelt can change water levels, impacting boating or swimming plans. Summer is the best time for water fun. When the weather is warm, usually between 70 and 82 degrees, you can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, or swimming. Remember to wear sunscreen and drink plenty of water, especially on sunny days that can reach around 161 days a year. Early mornings and late afternoons are ideal for outdoor activities, avoiding the midday heat and wind gusts that can reach 15 miles per hour. Beaches and parks are well maintained, offering picnic areas and facilities for families. In winter, the lake transforms into a winter wonderland. You can try ice fishing, snowshoeing, or cross-country skiing, but always check ice conditions first. Temperatures can dip into the teens or lower, so dress warmly in insulated, waterproof clothing. Snowfall makes winter sports enjoyable, but safety depends on consistent freezing temperatures. If the ice is thick enough, usually at least 4 inches for walking or snowmobiling, you can venture out. If not, indoor attractions like museums, galleries, and cozy shops in Skaneateles Village are perfect for staying warm. Daily weather changes mean you should stay updated with local forecasts and lake data, including water temperature and lake elevation. Flexibility is your best friend. Have backup plans like visiting indoor cafes or exploring art galleries if rain interrupts your outdoor plans. Wind forecasts are also helpful for boating or sailing, as stronger gusts can make water activities unsafe. By staying aware of the weather and planning accordingly, you can enjoy Skaneateles Lake's scenic beauty and outdoor adventures no matter the season. The state's efforts to maintain the natural environment and infrastructure ensure you can experience the lake safely, rain or shine.